Hello everyone, this is Umar from Ecommerce Army. Today in this video I am going to tell you how to integrate Google Analytics with Shopify. So to watch the full process, please watch this video till the end. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel as well. So before wasting any time, let's start the video. So in order to have a Google Analytics account, we should have a Gmail account. Probably it will be your Shopify store email. So so if you don't have a Gmail account, please make sure to create a Gmail account first. After creating your Gmail account, we will go on Google and search Google Analytics sign in. From here we will search it Google Analytics sign in. Okay, go into sign in option, and here we will enter our Gmail account on which we will want to integrate Google Analytics. Okay, so once you sign in your Gmail account with Google Analytics, you will see this window. From this window, you will click on Start Measuring. Okay, here it is asking about account name. I will enter account name of your website name. So I am entering like it's daraz.com. Okay. From here you will scroll down and click next. Here it is again asking your property name. In property name you will enter your website name again. So I will enter in Daraz, which is for example. So from here you will select your region. I will keep it United States. And this is the main part of creating Google Analytics account. So make sure you click on Show Advanced Options and enable this option. It is very important to enable this option, so please make sure you have enabled this option. After enabling this option, you have to enter your website URL here, and then scroll down and click next. After clicking next you have to provide your industry category. So for example, I'm selecting computer and electronics. Then you have to tell about your business size. I'm selecting small, so you have to so you will select according to your size, according to size of your business. Again scroll down and click on the boxes on which for the purpose you are installing Google Analytics. So my purpose is to optimize my site, increase my conversions, analyze my own online sales. So you can select according to your choice and then click on create. Okay, please make sure to accept all terms and conditions. Okay, so this is our Google Analytics main dashboard. So from here on we need to get the tracking code. To get tracking code, please go in the property and select your UA code. Once you select your UA code, this window will show up. So from here you have to click on tracking info. From tracking info you have to select tracking code. So this is our Google Analytics code. We have to copy this code and go into our Shopify store. So let me log into my Shopify store as well. Okay, so after going to your Shopify admin, click on online store. From online store you have to go to preferences. From preferences, scroll down. You can see I already have my Google Analytics code here. So if I want, so for example, you will come here and paste your code here and click save. Please make sure you click use enhanced e-commerce option as well after clicking it and save it as well. So this is the complete process of integrating Google Analytics with your Shopify website or Shopify store. So if this video helped you, please make sure you have liked the video and subscribe to my channel. If you are looking any help or you need any consultation, I have put in my link of Skype and my profile link in the description. You can reach out to me anytime. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video.